Okay, good morning. Yesterday in previous we explained 1 to 15 questions. Now 16 to 30 is in the 16th one. A nichrome wire has a resistance of 10 ohms. Find the resistance of another nichrome wire whose length is 3 times and the area cross section is 4 times. So here what are the given values? Nichrome wire, first nichrome wire resistance R is given. So R equal to 10 ohms and length equal to L and the area equal to A. Area equal to A. Therefore R equal to rho into by A. R means here 10 equal to rho into length by area cross section. It is equation number 1. Now in second case, resistance we can write here R1 and length is equal to 3L and area equal to 4A. From this equation we can write R1 equal to rho into 3L by 4A. It is the equation number 2. Now equation number 1 by 2. So equation number 1 divided by equation number 2, that equal to 10 equal to rho L by A by R1 A by rho into 3L by 4A. Okay, so you can write here 10 by R1 equal to 10 by R1 equal to rho L by A into 4A by rho into 3L. Rho and L get cancelled and A and A also get cancelled. The remaining value of 10 by R1 is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, so here 4 R1 is equal to 30. So R1 equal to 30 by 4, that equal to 7.5 ohms. R1 equal to 7.5 ohms. It is a second wire resistance. It is a second wire resistance. Okay. Next one. Question number 17. Question number 17. A resistance wire made from the German sugar has a resistance of 4.25. Calculate the another resistance of made from the same material such that length is increased by 4 times and the area cross section decreased by 3 times. 17th one. In case 1, R is given. R equal to 4.25 ohms. Okay. Next another way also, your length equal to L and the area equal to A1. So here R equal to rho into L by A. So R is given, that equal to 4.25 is equal to rho into L by A. Okay, it is the equation number 1. In next case, resistance. In next case, resistance equal to R1 and length is increased by 4 times. Compared to initial position, second wire length increased by 4 times. So length equal to how much? Increased by 4 times, that equal to 4L and the area is decreased by 3 times, that equal to A by 3. So here R1 equal to rho into 4L by A by 3. A by 3, that equal to R resistance value. So we can do it equation for 1 by 2. So equation number 1 by 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 4.25 by R1 is equal to rho L by A into A by 12 rho L. So here A, these two get cancelled. Remaining value 4.25 by R1 equal to 1 by 12, and doing cross product here, R1 equal to 12 into 4.25, that equal to how much now? 51 ohms. 51 ohms. So R1 equal to here 51 ohm. Okay, now we can write R1 symbol. R1 equal to 51 ohm. It is the answer. Next question number 18. Next question number 18. A nichrome wire of length L and the area cross section is A by 4 as a resistance R. Another nichrome wire of length is 3L and the area cross section is A by 2 as a resistance of R1. Then find the R1 is to R2. R1 is to R2. A nichrome wire of length is L and its area is A by 4 as a resistance. Is R. Another nichrome of wire of length 3L and the area of cross section and the area of A by 2 as a resistance of R1. Find the ratio of R1 is to R. Then find the ratio of R1 is to R1. In first case, case 1, here resistance equal to R. Resistance is equal to R and the area A equal to A by 2 and length equal to L. So here R equal to, we know that rho L by A. Okay, so here R equal to rho L by A by 2, that equal to R equal to 2 into specific resistance into length by A. It is equation number 2. In case 2, resistance is R1 and length is 3L and the area is, in first case A by 4, A by 4 is also 4. Okay, so in second case, R equal to R1, L equal to 3L and the area cross section equal to A by 2. From second law, loss of resistance, R equal to specific resistance into length by A. Specific resistance into length by A. So So here R equal how much of here R1. So R1 equal to rho into 3L by A by 2. Therefore R1 equal to 6 rho into L by A. It is equation number 2. So equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. So R1 by R is equal to 6 into rho L by A into how much amount? So A by 4 into specific distance into length. So here A cancel, rho L and rho L cancel. Remaining value R1 by R is equal to 6 by 4. We can write here R1 by R equal to 3 by 2. That equal to R1 is to R is equal to 3 is to 2. That is 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Okay. Next question. Next one, 19th one, a conductor of length of 2 centimeters as a resistance of 4 ohms. Calculate the length of a similar conductor whose resistance is 8 ohm. Okay. So L1 is given. L1 equal to 2 centimeters and R1 equal to 4. Next L2 equal to question mark and R2 is given, that equal to 8 ohm. From laws of resistance we know that R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2. So here L1 by L2. So we can write here R1 into L2 equal to R2 into L1. Our aim is to find the L2 value. L2 equal to R2 into L1 by R1. It is the formula to find the L2 value. So R2 equal to 8 into L1, that equal to by R1, that equal to 4. For 1 here, for 2 into L2 equal to 4 centimeters. L2 equal to 4 centimeters. L2 equal to 4 centimeters. Next one, a conductor of length, same model, 20. A conductor of length 4 centimeters as a resistance of 8 ohms. Calculate the resistance of a similar conductor of length. Similar conductor of length 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. Okay, so here L1 is given, that equal to 4 centimeters, and the resistance also is given, R1 equal to 8 ohms. Okay, next L2 is given, that is 2 centimeters. Our aim is to find the R2. So loss of resistance R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2. So here R2 into L1, that is equal to R1 into L2. So our aim is to find the R2 value. So R1 into L2 by L1. Okay, therefore R2 equal to R1, what is R1 value? 8 into L2. L2 equal to 2 by L1, that is 4. 4 ones here, 4 twos. So R2 equal to 4 ohms. R2 equal to 4 ohms. Okay. Next one, question number 21st. Question number 21. The SI unit of 21. The SI unit of specific resistance. Specific resistance is, what is that? Ohm meter. Ohm meter. It is a symbol. Ohm meter. Okay. Next 22. Is a with the symbol of speech. With the symbol of speech. With the symbol of speech. Next one, the combination of 2 or more cells. The combination of 2 or more cells is called a battery. The combination of 23. The combination of 2 or more cells is called a battery. Is called a battery. 24. What is the electric potential? What is the electrical potential at a point in an electric field when 24 joules of work done. In moving a charge of 96 C from infinity Okay, so what are the given values here? W is given work done that equal to 24 joules, and the potential difference P is given. Potential difference V is question mark comma. Next Q is given, Q equal to 96C. So we know that V equal to work done by charge, that equal to 24 joules by 96. 24 joules by 96, that equal to 0.25 volt. That equal to 0.25 volt. 0.25 volt. Next one, the standard unit of electric charge is coulomb. Question number 26. The standard unit of electric charge is the standard unit of electric charge is coulomb. Okay. Next 27. The relation between potential difference is V equal to work done by charge. V equal to work done by charge. V equal to work done by charge. Next one coulomb charge is moved between the 2 points by doing a work of 1 joule. The potential difference between the 2 points is, so here what are the equivalent sum? 28 work done is given, W equal to 1 joules. Okay, next Q is given, that equal to 1 say, then V equal to how much? So we know that V equal to work done by charge, so V equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb, that equal to 1 volt. So V equal to 1 volt. V equal to 1 volt. Next question number 29 one. 29 one. The potential difference between the 2 points is 20 volt. The charge of say 29 one, the potential difference equal to 20 volt is given. Okay, next charge is given, charge Q equal to 10 sig. Then find the work done, W equal to how much? So we know that potential difference V equal to work done by charge. So here work done equal to V into Q, means potential difference into charge. So here work done equal to work done V equal to how much? 20 volt into 10 sig, that equal to 200 joules. So work done equal to here, work done equal to how much? 200 joules. 200 joules. So next one, a wire of length 2 centimeters and the area of cross section is 2 centimeters square and the resistance is 4 ohms. Then calculate the specific resistance. Last one, question number 30. Here length is given. Length L is equal to 2 centimeters cross section. Area cross section. A is equal to how much? 2 centimeters square. And the resistance R is given. Resistance R is equal to 4 ohms. 4 ohms. Then find the specific resistance. Specific resistance rho equal to how much? So from the laws of refraction we can write here R equal to specific resistance into L by area cross section. L by area cross section. I'm doing cross work here. R into A means resistance into area cross section equal to specific resistance into L. So our aim is to find the specific resistance. L coming to this side, that is by. So specific resistance equal to resistance into area cross section by L. So here R equal to how much? 4 into A. Area cross section equal to 2 by length 2. So here 2 to get cancelled. So specific resistance equal to 4 ohm centimeters. 4 ohm centimeters. It is a specific resistance value. Listen once again. Length equal to 2 centimeters and area cross section equal to 2 centimeters square and the resistance equal to 4 ohms. Our aim is to find the specific resistance. So R equal to rho into means specific resistance into L by A. Our aim is to find the specific resistance rho value. So we can write here doing cross product R into A means resistance into area cross section equal to specific resistance into length. Therefore specific resistance equal to resistance into area cross section by L. So R equal to 4, here A equal to 2 by length 2. So here 2 to get cancelled, remain value 4. Therefore specific resistance equal to specific resistance is equal to 4 ohm centimeters. It is the answer. Okay, specific resistance equal to how much? 4 ohm centimeters. Okay, ma. Thank you.